Hello guys, Akora here and welcome back to another video. So whenever I could upload a video to YouTube, it could take like forever and sometimes it could stop for no reason. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your videos upload to YouTube fast. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I post new videos like this. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But other than that, let's get started with the video.
What can we get if we sail a little bit high?
So the first thing that you want to do is put the link that is in the description below. Then go ahead and click on download and go ahead and download Handbrake. Software is for free. So after downloading it, go ahead and open it up. So for the test, I'll be using this video. Basically the video is 737 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this video basically up to around 50 megabytes. So once you open Handbrake, go ahead and click on open a single video file. Then go ahead and browse for the video. Then go ahead and click on open. After that, go ahead and name your file. So let me just name it this. And click on browse and click on save. So after that, make sure that you change this automatic to loose. And so basically there's nothing much that you do in filters. So let's go to video, change this to H.264, come down to average bit. Go ahead and uncheck this and go back to quality. Go ahead and turn the frame rate up to the same as source. And change encoder profile to auto, encoder level to auto. Then drag the encoder preset medium. Go to audio. Basically, I love leaving my audio at 320. So basically, there's nothing much you need to do in subtitles. Same as chapters. You just go ahead and click on encode. So guys, I'll come back once it's done encoding and I'll show you guys the comparison of the one that is compressed and the one that is not compressed. Alright guys, as you can see it's done. So I want to go ahead and compare it. So as you can see, it was 737 megabytes, but now it's 114 megabytes, and this is such a small file, so you can easily upload it to YouTube with no lag, and it will just take about a minute or two. So let me go ahead and show you guys a comparison to both of these videos. So guys, if you did like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you aren't already subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. But other than that, see you guys in the next video. Peace.